Alright guys, what's going on? This is another PS3 homebrew for you. This is the IrisManager version 2.50. It was on 2.42, now they've updated it to 2.50. So the layout's a little different, and as always, bug fixes have been repaired. So first thing I'm going to have you do is download this file right here, which is IrisManager-2.50. And it is a RAR file, so you will need to extract it with a RAR extraction program. I have WinRAR, it's free, you don't have to get a license for it, so that's that. So moving on, you're going to need your flash drive, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that in real quick. Plug that in and allow my autoplay to come up here and just open the files. If you haven't already, you're going to want to make a folder called packages in all lowercase letters and open that up. I don't need this stuff in here, so I'll just get rid of it so we don't get confused. Alright, here we go. Hello. Take that up like this over here. Alright, so what I want you to do is double click and open that up if you have WinRAR. If you do not have WinRAR, right click on it and extract the files to your desktop. Close that, and here we go. IrisManager 4-X. If you open that up, you'll see the language packs, and these are all the language packs here. What you're looking for is the package file, which is the IrisManager 4X animated package or the 4X regular package. It doesn't really matter. And here's the all the text documents of review and things like that. For making PS1 ISOs, basically what you're going to do is create a PSX games folder in the root of the HDD or USB devices. Put the PSX game folder here, which is in the root, and the name of the folder is used as the game name from IrisManager. And then the PSX game files must be ISO, bin, image, etc. and all that fun shit, and you just place those ISOs in that PSX games folder on the root of your PS3 and then load it with IrisManager like so. So that's what you do there. Example of the game structure. For an example, here's the USB, the dev USB root, PSX games, Metal solid, and then this would be the maybe put them into folders or whatever, and then disk 1, disk 2, and then the configuration, config, and all that stuff after you remake your ISO with your PS3 unit. So that's covering that. GPL, the hell is this? I forgot what this is. General Public License. Okay, that's what that is. So you don't have to worry about that. And then IrisManager 2.0 text, and basically this is just saying what's added. So you don't have to really worry about that. And all you got to do is download the source code for Windows 32 if you're using that. So without further ado, let's bring this over here. Now basically all you're really going to have to do, if you want to look at these patch tools, you can go ahead and use them. This is for patching games and things like that. And patch the SCE, the Explorer plugin, and all those fun jazzes. This is for basically patching your ISOs and stuff like that, so they would run through IrisManager, but we don't need to worry about that, we're just doing the installation. So, moving on. IrisManager 4-X PKG, or the animated one. And we're going to pick the animated one and drag that over and copy that to the USB stick. Once you copy that over, this is all you need to do on the computer. So what you're going to do now is simply you're just going to go ahead and we are going to go to the PS3 system. So I'll meet you at the PS3. Alright, so here we are at the PS3. Now that we're on the PS3, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take that USB and plug it into your PS3 that you have loaded the IrisManager on. So we're going to take that and go ahead and plug that in real quick. Now that I have that plugged in, I'm going to come over and I'm going to scroll over to my game. I am running Rogero 4.41 version 1.00. So if you're running a rebug firmware or certain types of DEX custom firmwares, you can just go to install package files and go there to install it. But I am running this rebug, so I have to do it manually with the Multiman, and now you'll see that I have IrisManager 2.42, I'm going to be updating it to 2.5. So I'm going to be loading Multiman here real quick, like so. And for those of you that need Multiman, just go to software-reborn.com. The link is on my channel page, and you'll be able to see the download files there. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the install the package files, and you will see the IrisManager 4X animated. Now, let me close that real quick, and I'm not sure if there's an update option for this. There isn't. Alright, so I'll go to the install package files, click X to queue it, it will queue it, and then hit triangle to install the queue. Now it will return to the XMB automatically. Once it returns to the XMB, you're going to scroll to the game section and look for the install file up here. Hit triangle on this and just press install. Allow it to install the IrisManager. Hit circle to complete. Please wait. And it will not be there. Here it is. IrisManager 2.50. It'll automatically update it on its own. So we'll press X and go here to start up the game, and we'll see what the hell's going on. So here's IrisManager. Not much has changed. It's pretty much the same. And let's hit select here for the game options. You can configure the game and stuff like that, just like you used to before. Whoa. I don't wanna. And global options, video adjust, change the current GUI, change the background color, change game directory, switch the music on, and all that fun stuff. Let's see what we got for tools. English. It says package install. Copy from dem USB Iris to the Iris folder. All that fun jazz. So that is about it. But that's the IrisManager there. You see, these are the games that I have loaded into my IrisManager right now. But that's about it. So rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy the new updated version of IrisManager. And that's about it. Yeah, feel free to donate, and stay tuned for more PS3 homebrews and applications and hacks and mods for everything else you possibly own right here at my YouTube channel. So talk to you guys later. Go check out my website and